ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang aesthetic photos at home. So, let's go! Set up your front camera, self-timer, and choose between 3 seconds or 10 seconds. This is not real marshmallow, guys. It's just a freebie when you order fragile items. What I did here is nilatag ko lang siya dito sa chair, and then took some photos, tapos ginather ko siya, and then nagsawa ako, kaya kinalat ko na lang! Next is the bubble wrap, another freebie when you order. Next is the mirror shot. So, nilagay ko yung phone ko behind me para dun manggagaling yung angle ng photo. Make sense naman, di ba? Next is get a props. Whatever is around you, grab them. You can always use this to create a story on your photo. For silhouette photos, turn off the lights in your room and use flashlight or any kinds of light to create shadows. That's it. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Bored in the house and I feel the house boy. Bored in the house.